Okay, I'm going to try and get some footage of this this driveway that I'm doing. I'll try to get some footage of this as I have another camera going, but I'm going to try to hold this thing and get some footage of the job that this surface cleaner is doing. So here we go. This is doing a great job, though. This is doing a great job. Look at that. Let's see. This thing is just going to town on this dirt. That's amazing. Amazing. Sorry for the bouncy ride, but yeah, this thing is doing a great job. I'm pleasantly surprised at how good this surface cleaner is doing on the surface. It's doing a magnificent job. Like I say, there are stains from the trees, and I don't know if those are rust stains or whatever. Those will come out if you put the right chemicals down there. You know, I just have the chemical for washing concrete. I did not bring any of the sodium hypochlorite that you would need to remove these stains. So I'm just cleaning it. That's what the owner said he wanted, just clean it. But the cleaning in itself is it's an amazing difference. Look at that. That's just an amazing difference. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I'm not going to record anymore because I've got one camera over here recording, and I don't need that redundancy. I just want to give you guys a close-up view, a different angle of what the driveway is shaping up to be. I will also take after pictures. I took some before pictures, and yeah, amazing stuff.